If you're over 60 and you think walking every day is enough to stay strong, I need you to stop for a second. I know you've been told your whole life that walking is the golden ticket to staying healthy, and yes, it's better than sitting on the couch, but here's the harsh truth. Walking alone won't keep your muscles strong, your bones dense, or your balance sharp. In fact, if you're only walking, you're slowly letting your strength slip away, even if you feel fine today. And that's scary, because losing strength after 60 isn't just about looking weaker in the mirror, it's about falling, losing independence, and watching your life shrink in small, frustrating ways. I'm going to show you 3 medical-backed moves that rebuild real strength fast, the kind of strength that keeps you upright, confident, and fully independent. These aren't your typical exercises. You don't need a gym membership, a bunch of fancy equipment, or hours every day. You just need 10 to 15 minutes, the right movements, and consistency. By the time we're done, you're going to see why walking alone isn't enough, and more importantly, you'll know exactly what to do instead. Let's start with the first move. And this one is critical because it hits the foundation of every strong, stable body, your hips. Most people over 60 don't realize that weak hips are the hidden reason they wobble when standing up from a chair or struggle to climb stairs. I call this move the hip bridge with hold. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and arms at your sides. Now, press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes hard at the top. Here's the key. Hold for 3 seconds, then slowly lower. Don't rush it. The slow hold triggers deep muscle fibers that walking never touches. Do this 12 times, rest, then repeat for a second set. Within just a few weeks, you'll feel your hips getting stronger, your lower back less tense, and your balance more solid. Most people notice it when they stand from a chair. Suddenly it feels effortless instead of a struggle. And remember, this isn't just about strength. Strong hips stabilize your whole body, reduce knee pain, and prevent falls. It's a medical fact. Hip strength equals independence. The second move targets the legs, but not in the way you're thinking. Forget long walks or light jogging. We're talking about building explosive strength where it counts, your quadriceps and hamstrings. I call this move the chair sit to stand. Yes, it sounds simple, but it's deceptively powerful. Sit in a sturdy chair, arms crossed over your chest, and stand up as slowly as you can without using your hands. Then sit back down just as slowly. The slow, controlled motion forces your muscles to work in a way walking never will. Do 10 repetitions, rest, and repeat twice more. Within a month, you'll notice something amazing. Climbing stairs, getting out of the car, even standing from a low couch becomes easier. You're not just training your legs, you're retraining your body to move like it used to, and that's the kind of strength that keeps you out of the hospital. This move is literally prescribed by geriatric specialists because it increases leg power, bone density, and even boosts metabolism. Walking won't do that. Now, the third move is the one that most people completely ignore until it's too late: upper body and core strength. Why does it matter? Because your arms and core help protect you when you stumble. If your core is weak, a minor trip can turn into a fall. The move I recommend is the wall push and hold. Stand about a foot away from a wall, place your hands on it, and press as if you're trying to push the wall over, holding that pressure for 5 seconds. Relax, then repeat. This tiny tweak builds shoulder, chest, and core strength without straining joints or requiring heavy weights. Do 12 reps, rest, and repeat for 2 rounds. Within weeks, you'll notice your posture improving, your confidence rising, and even everyday activities, reaching for a high shelf or carrying groceries, feeling easier. Your body is literally rewiring itself to be strong and resilient. I know what you're thinking, but I've been walking for years. Isn't that enough? And I get it. Walking feels good, it keeps you moving, and it's low impact. But here's the truth. Walking is endurance, not strength. It maintains circulation and heart health, yes, but it does almost nothing for the muscles that keep you upright, the bones that keep you sturdy, or the joints that prevent falls. Think of walking as keeping the engine running, but these 3 moves? They're the mechanics rebuilding your car from the inside out. Now, I want to give you a simple routine that ties all 3 moves together, something you can do in 10 to 15 minutes every other day. Start with the hip bridge hold for 12 reps, rest, repeat once. Then go straight into the chair sit to stand for 10 reps, rest, repeat twice. Finish with wall push and hold, 12 reps, rest, repeat once. That's it. Done. Your body will thank you, and over the next month, you'll start to feel a change, standing taller, moving easier, and yes, regaining a strength you may have thought was gone forever. Here's a tip that most people overlook: consistency beats intensity. You don't need to push yourself to exhaustion. What matters is that you do these moves correctly, slowly, and regularly. That's the secret most people over 60 never hear. Fast results come not from long hours or heavy lifting, but from targeted, medical-backed movements done consistently. And there's something else I want to share: a mindset shift. Too many people over 60 think, "I'm old, my strength is fading, nothing I do matters." That's wrong. Strength isn't lost forever. Muscles are incredibly resilient, even after 60, even after years of inactivity. The science is clear. As long as you challenge your muscles in the right way, they'll rebuild. You can regain strength faster than you think, and the best part is, it doesn't take hours a day. So, if you're tired of feeling weaker, of struggling with stairs, chairs, or even balance, I want you to make a decision right now. Stop relying solely on walking. Add these 3 moves into your day. Make them non-negotiable. And I promise you, in a few weeks, you'll look back and wonder why you waited so long. Let me give you one final tip to supercharge your progress. Track your strength. Don't just do the moves mindlessly. Take note of how many reps you can do, how long you can hold each position, and how your body feels afterward. You'll be amazed at how quickly your strength rebounds when you see the numbers. That feedback loop is motivating and keeps you consistent, which is the real key to rebuilding strength after 60. Now, before you go, I have to ask, if you found this helpful and you're serious about regaining strength, I've put together a free guide that walks you step by step through each of these moves with visual demonstrations. It's designed for people over 60, and it makes it easy to follow without guesswork. Just click the link in the description to get it. And if you want to go even further, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I post practical, science-backed routines like this all the time. You'll get everything you need to feel stronger, more confident, and independent well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Remember, walking is good, but strength is better. Don't wait until it's too late. Your hips, legs, and core can rebuild. Your balance can improve. Your independence can last for years longer than you think. And it all starts with 3 simple moves you can do at home, right now. So go ahead, take action today. Try the hip bridge hold, the chair sit to stand, and the wall push and hold. Do them slowly, do them correctly, and watch your body respond. And when you feel that first spark of real strength, you'll know you made the right choice. Here's the bottom line: you're never too old to rebuild strength. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need hours at the gym, and you don't need to rely solely on walking. Just 3 medical moves, done consistently, and your body will prove to you that strength can come back fast. Now, here's my challenge to you. Do these 3 moves for the next 2 weeks without skipping. Track your progress, feel your muscles wake up, and notice your confidence growing with each day. And when you're done, share your results in the comments. I want to hear how strong you're getting. Because strength isn't just about muscle. It's about freedom, independence, and confidence. And if you start today, by the end of this month, you'll already be moving differently, feeling differently, and living stronger than you have in years. So stop walking and start rebuilding. Your body, your independence, and your future self will thank you.